All right. You are free to ask questions, but we are recording whatever we are doing here, so don't no unnecessary noise. So, as I said before, now you are welcome to today's lectures. What we are doing here is nothing but review, and you may not really understand it now. Is when by the time you get to second year, if you are consistent, by the time you enter second year, about to enter third year, and if you are consistent with what I said today with you guys, that's when you appreciate it more. So what you are doing is not your regular lecture whereby I will come teach lecture trying to cover your outline. Here is more of a review and different world standard review on pharmacy technician training worldwide is what I'm using, not just what you are doing in your class. And when I'm through reviewing a particular textbook or a particular handbook, I will go into another one. So that what it means is that if time permits, if you are consistent, you are opportune to witness a review using different authors, different work from different authors in different parts of the world. By the time you get to your third year, even if you are sleeping, you have to open your eyes, and if they tap you, please, what is it? You don't even need to think about it, because this is what you have been, passing through. And if any of these things comes out in your exam, even your lecturers will be surprised how you scatter the question. They'll be like, who taught you all these things? Are you there? Yeah. So now, today we are going to talk about pharmacology. Today we are going to talk about pharmacology. Pharmacology. There's one thing I want you to know. You may hear about pharmacology. Yesterday I discussed something about anatomy. I told you something about anatomy and physiology. I was like, if you are not grounded in anatomy and physiology, you may not really do well in pharmacology. But even though you have not, those in first year have not started pharmacology, you started from pharmacology in your second semester. But the exposure I'm giving you now will help you a lot when you eventually start your work. Pharmacology. Remember, this is not just for the first year, it's for the second year, it's the first year, and anybody that wants to learn. So, but you guys are the one showing enthusiasm. Keep it up. Keep it up. Now, pharmacology. Is a review. I'm not going to try to go deep, trying to break it down the word pharmacology for you. Just know that pharmacology deals with what? Study of the actions and what? Uses of what? Drugs. We have pharmacology, we have the one we call what? Toxicology. We also have toxicology. Toxicology is also the same way pharmacology is studying the what? Actions and use of drugs. The same way toxicology is from the name you know what it's talking about. Also deals with what? Toxins and other things that may be harmful. To study them, to know exactly what they are, and if you know a problem, that's when you know how to avoid that problem. But if you don't know a problem, you do what? You put your head into the problem. So knowing about toxicology will help to really help you to do what? Even you as a pharmacist technician or as a pharmacist, you know how to handle cases like that when they occur. So this is just what pharmacology is talking about. Today, we are going to have our reference book for today. I've already sent it on. I sent a lot of textbooks on Telegram, and I'll keep sending more. If you have not opened it, I'm sorry. I'll be sending books there.
Yes. Did you send any other books?
No, not now. The ones I've sent before. Now, our reference book for today is a pharmacy technician certification exam review. Pharmacy technician certification exam review by Lorraine C. Zenz. By Lorraine C. Zenz. That's the author. It's a very wonderful book. So we are going to use it as our words, as our what reference book for today. So whatever I'm talking about today will come from there. In as much as they come from there, I will now start explaining some things that may not be in the book, but it will be as a guide. It will act as a guide for today's what review. So now, of course, I've talked about what for definition of what pharmacology. When you are studying pharmacology, there are things you should know and things you're expected to know. I'm going to list them. As I'm listing them, I'll be saying one or two things about what they mean. Because at the end of each review, we answer questions that related to a particular thing we review for the day. Are you there? Now, there's something very important we should know. We should know. I mentioned it last time. I talked about proprietary and what? Generic names. Did I? This thing make up to what you call what? Drug what? Nomenclature. You know what nomenclature is in your biology? Nomenclature means what? Talking about what? Naming. So, drug what? Nomenclature. Drug what? Nomenclature. So everything about drug nomenclature. Because if I want to know about you, the first thing I will ask about is, what's your name? I can't just look at you and say, where are you from? No. The first thing is, what's your name? You tell me I'm so great. Before I now start talking about other things I want to know, asking other things I want to know about you. So now, drug what? Nomenclature. Drug what? Nomenclature. Everything about drug nomenclature boils down to what? Proprietary and what? Generic name. You can call this proprietary or what? Brand what? Name. Actually, when you talk about drug nomenclature, you talk about proprietary name, generic name. You also talk about chemical name. Are you there? We don't have what? Chemical name, but we don't normally use chemical name. Do you know the reason? Chemical name, we talk about the name of the drug. Chlorioso silicating, kawan. It is always what? Long. Because it's always what? Long. They now focus on what? Generic name. Something like aspirin. Aspirin, you know I told you that chemistry is life. Everything you're talking about, everything, even this marker is made up of what? So there's chemical formula for what you use to make this thing. So instead of calling it by chemical name, you give it a name, marker. But in actual sense, there's a chemical. If you go to the structure, you can actually get the chemical name from the structure. But sometimes they are always long. So you now look for a generic name, a common name you can give to that thing. The same thing applies to what? Drug. Something like aspirin. Aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid. But before people who keep calling that name, not everybody can call that name. That's where the chemical name came from. What the structure, what is contained. But aspirin is what? The generic name. So that the generic name is now the common name. Even paracetamol is a generic name. They are a chemical name. If you buy a drug, if you want to know the chemical name of a drug, if you buy the drug, open the leaflet, check that place. They know the structure of that drug. That structure, if you're able to name that structure, that's the chemical name of that drug. But how many people can name it? They will now come down to what people can call a common name. People can do what? Call easily. That's why we got the what? The generic name. Now from generic name now, some company now say, no, we want our own to bear the name we want it to bear. They don't give it their own what? Name. That's the name we call what? Proprietary name. Or the brand name.
Admission. 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 Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School EENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is located at EENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803-708-1512, 0813-868-2003, 0803-267-5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.